This little gutsy little squirrel, he's right by us. Hi. Let go of my shirt, Sarah. Look how close he is to us. He's so cute. Probably smells food. Oh my gosh, Sarah! Oh my god.
Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can feed it.
Oh my god. It's a spray. Oh my god.
Oh my god, do you have like a peanut butter sandwich or something?
Yeah, I do.
Get it.
No, it's mine.
Give him a little piece.
It's mine. Oh, he's cute.